Okay, the next thing we're going to look at is to make a learning space. Now, a learning space is different to My Page. My Page, this area here, tells you all about myself. So if you remember, we made Holly's page. Okay, now my learning space is where you put all the resources that you think you need that are going to help you learn about something. So if it's your topic or a hobby, or any links, pictures that are going to help you learn about that particular topic. So when you go into MySpace, if you click on My Learning Space and then click on the pencil, okay, because that allows you to edit your learning space. And there are certain things that you can put in a learning space. You can put in web links, images and documents, and also blogs that you might have made that go with it. So at the moment I've got nothing in this particular learning space, but I want to rename this. So I'm going to click it. I'm just going to call it The Tudors, okay, and then click Update, and it will just change it like so. Now I want to add in a website to do with the Tudors, so I'm just going to look for one very quickly that I think may help people find out some information about the Tudors. So I think I have one saved. Oops, not Priorsly. Let's see if we've got one saved. Okay, so this might be of any web search that you do. So let's just have a look, see if I've got anything to do with the Tudors. Okay, BBC Famous People, Henry VIII. Okay, so I've got the website there and I've got the web address there, so I'm just going to copy it for now and I go back to my MySpace and I'm going to add in a web link. So I just drag it into the menu like so. Okay, and it says it's a link, it's a website. Okay, and I'm going to paste the address in there. Now what this simply means is, do you want the website to appear in this area, or do you want it to pop up as a new window? Well, I think it's quite nice to have it inside your MySpace. Okay, so there's the URL, and I'm just going to call it Henry VIII. Okay, update. So now I've got a website in my learning space, and I'm going to add my blog. So the blog that I created as Holly, I'm going to drop it in, and I'm just going to search it. If I just put in Tudors and search blogs, Tudor, no, okay, owner name, let's try Sheldon. Search by surname. Okay, there we go. So there's the blog that I created before, the Tudors. So I'm going to select it and I'm going to click OK. So there we go, update. So now I've got the blog I created, I've got a web link. The other things that you can drag and drop, you can put a file in. So if you've got some sort of worksheet or information sheet that you've found at home and you've saved, you can add it to your learning space by dragging it in and uploading it. Okay. The other things you can add in are you can add a link to somebody else's learning space. You can add in a discussion group, so like a chat space for other users to chat about your learning space. And of course you can you can add pictures, and I'm going to show you how to do that now. So I'm going to save the changes. So I've got a web link and I've got my blog. So when people look at my learning space, they can go straight to my blog, like so. Okay, or they can go straight to the web link. Now this is really nice how this does it, because it opens it up within your learning space. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my main page. Now there's nothing there at the moment. Okay, this is my learning space, so I'm going to click on this pencil, which allows me to edit it just like you edit your page. Okay, now if you remember from before when we made the main page, you must upload any pictures or web links, not web links, sorry, just pictures to your digital locker. Okay, so you can do this either through here or through my digital locker when you go to MySpace. Okay, so I'm just going to add a few pictures of the Tudors that I want to include on my page. Okay, so they're just in here. Let's have a look. Okay, my pictures, which I saved some from before. There we go, we've got Henry VIII, Hampton Court Palace and Catherine Parr. So I'm just going to put one of old Henry. There we go. Okay, so he should appear there. Okay, and I'm going to put him straight in, hopefully. Where's Henry gone? Okay, let's just wait and see what happens. As you will find, there are, oh there we go, there he is. There are a few glitches with using this, and sometimes it can take a while to upload a picture. Just have to have patience. Okay, so I'm going to pop him there, and I might want to put some different things there. Okay, and you save it just like you saved your page. Okay, right, in the next video I will show you how to search for blogs, search for learning spaces and make comments on them. Okay.